You got kids?
Yeah.
Yeah?
3.
You got 3 kids?
Yeah, 2 and 1 on the way now. You think
You're a
she was...
busy man.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna go inside to see what's going on.
All right. Sounds good.
When JDP was started, Charlie Gonzalez would not have been eligible. Only misdemeanor cases were allowed. But now, third and sometimes second-degree felonies can be considered. Charged with crimes that in criminal court could spell prison, today marks Charlie's halfway point in jail diversion.
Mr. Gonzalez, how are you?
Pretty good in yourself, Your Honor.
In a criminal justice system, there's really just 3 parties. There's the defense attorneys, often represented by the public defender's office. There's the state attorney's office in Florida. Outside of Florida, sometimes they're known as district attorneys. And then there's the judge. And theoretically, the system works best when both sides fight equally hard and justice is supposed to fall through the middle. And so doing a collaboration in criminal justice system is not a natural act. And so it had to be created.
A community has to agree together that they're going to solve whatever particular problem exists in their community. So we all come to the table and we can put, turfs to one side and say, we're going to build something really meaningful here.